Good afternoon, students. Now I am present to discuss the topic money and banking for class 12. Today topic I will cover what is the importance of money. It is very interesting subject in this money banking chapter. In the previous class, we have learned about what is the money, what is the definition of money, what is the meaning of money, and there are different general acceptability of the definitions by the different persons and describe the different functions. But now we are the point importance of the money. According to Professor Crowther, there is basic discovery of every branch of knowledge. Money has the same importance. According to Professor Crowther, money is the basic importance of every times every branch of knowledge. Money has the same importance in the economic life. We cannot think about absence of money. Everything are the economical activity toward the money. If as economic life, mechanical science, fire, everything, political science as well. So in our daily life, we have need of the money. We cannot survive without money. There is the importance of money. It is the progress of the history of human development related to money. It is very earlier concept as well as human being in the exist. Money also comes, and nowadays it is so very important for everywhere and everything. So progress of history. Money is the symbol of the modern culture. It is the symbol of modern culture. Today, we are so in everything, everywhere. Every person is the symbolic means it is money matters. The economic condition of country can be easily find out by looking the form and progress of the country with respect to the financial condition as well as its economical condition, GDP, growth rate, economical condition that describe the actual condition and growth of this country. That is based on the money. Only has the guided word civilization and culture also furnished by the help of money. We are thinking America is very rich country, very cultured country and very developing country. That's matter money. Their economical condition is better so much. So country is growing. But we are the developing country. We have need to more focus on the development, infrastructure, education, road, industry. As like that we have need of the money. It is the indicator of the successfulness in the entire world. If you have financially sound, you have basic sound economical condition, then you can compare to the other countries in the world. As the industrial revolution comes, everything changes. Our production system change, our manufacturing system change, our marketing concept also change. We are doing every day new to attract the customer and how to sell the product. Man started following, and the man is whole world started signing with the new glow. New glow means with the help of every exchange based on money. Barter system abolished, but the exchange is nowadays. Without it, cannot possible any trade, industry or commerce. So, it is the exchange based on the money term. Now we focus on the main terms that show the what is the importance of money. First point is end of all difficulty of the barter system. End of all difficulties of the barter system. During the barter system, we are face many problems. Product to product, product by other product. So there are many problems. If we have not the such type of product, how can use the barter system? Every person's want was not same, was different. I am growing the pulses, wheats, but we have need of milk. How can be possible? This can be possible in the presence of money. Many difficulties of barter system, that is coincide the mutual needs. Mutual needs of the both parties that we convert can be exchanged by the money term. If we look toward our ancient form of society, there was no sign of money. Ancient time, there is no sign of money, but we feel we have need to money or some medium of exchange. That when it comes to the money, end of the all difficulties in barter system, mobility of the capital. Mobility of the capital. Capital can be kept in the liquid form. Liquid form as sense of the money. It can be easily converted, and all goods service can be obtained by the money. If you have money, you can take all products available in the market and can avail all services with the help of money. According to Adam Smith, the goods of one country can be brought another country by money, like means of communication. Communication, we can continue export import. It is not necessary I am importing the pulses to the America and America is exporting the other product to the our country. But in the sense of money, I have need of the other product, and what is the value of such product or price. Then he can evaluate in the sense of money, can import other product and I can export other product. And their valuation should be with help of the money. Production at large scale. Production at large scale. At the ancient time, our want was limited. Wants or needs. limited. We are not focused on the many more products. We produce only things that is very needed for the survival life. So, money is encouraged the large production by providing facility such as formation of capital, distribution of labor, purchasing raw material, and sale of the goods. It is easy with the help of money. So, we have increased the production capacity, we have easily purchased the raw material and sell the product in the market with the help of money. Next is economic prosperity. Economic prosperity. Economic prosperity is the old person saying money earns money. That means money earns money. That is right. We are know. However, as the money can be become more rich by doing business or doing other works, no work is possible without money. Every person are aware about it. No work is possible without money. Yeah, do you know any things without money we can do? No. It is right. Money earns money and no work is possible without money. So, money is play very important or major role in our economy. According to Professor Adam Smith, there is no food grain in the some countries. They are poor countries. They have not no food grain to survive its population. There is no food grain produced in the some countries. Even grass is not produced. Then the supply of food grain can be done such country with the help of money. Food grain is not produced, even grass also not produced. How can they survive? How can they eat? How can fulfill their need? One thing is they have money, and money can fulfill all needs. They cannot be hunger. They can get food by the paying money. That is the economic prosperity. Sometimes we think we have not money, we can survive hunger. We have less. No. If you have money, you cannot survive the money. You can easily survive your life. Then the increase in the feeling of mutual love. There are the very important and critical role in increasing the feeling of mutual love. Increasing the feeling of mutual love. Yeah. The mutual contact of men increase when the exchange became very vast. Carrying out business among themselves, keep on the meeting to each other. Meeting to each other for business, and business was also very vast in the large scale. They had meet to each other. The result is increased brotherhood the other would also increase due to the increasing in mutual love. Each person can be fulfill needs by one of them. Then the social freedom. Social freedom. Every one person want to social freedom. What do you mean by social freedom? There is no development of money. All kinds of payment used carried out goods and services. Then the laborer use the entire depend on the own way. Social laborers work for us, and he not want to do things. He wants leverage as a form of money. That is social fitness. If he get money, he can do things. Thus the political freedom again encouragement. Today political freedom also play important role of the money. If you have money, you can enjoy the political system and political elections. It is necessary to you have proper money. Then social honor. Today, if you have not money, you have not social honor. This society you like if you have the more money. So importance in money is social honor. Social honor impact for the money. Then the importance of money in the religious field. Importance of money in the religious field. In our country there are many different religions, but everywhere we go pray, we know God is one, but also money is play important role. Everywhere, if we go to the temple, go to the gurdwara, go to the masjid, there with money play the important role. The construction of Birla temple, Bodhi temple could only the possible because of the money. If any person have that money, he can feeling very sad. He had not survived the for hunger. He have many medical treatment. He is not able to treat themselves. But Birla, Modi temples, that is, they are recognize the social honor, use of money known, and the goodwill also increased. In the encouragement of human civilization and scientific development. Scientific development also depend upon the money. If our country is very poor, how can possible we use the scientific method? How can we go on the moon and other part of the solar system? Not possible. So money play important role of the scientific development and increase the human civilization. Human civilization, which country? Highest living index, that is indicator of the money of worthless value. So, friend, now I will continue the next class. Importance of money in socialist economy and mixed economy. We are going about the India is a mixed economy, but it clearly detailed discussed in the next class. Thank you. Most welcome.